Welcome back to Tunga School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Jamkhandi. This is Ramesh Pujari, my dear students. Dear students, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ I have been started that common errors topic, and we have been discussed about verb, subject verb agreement, infinitives and participles, and now it is going to start rules of adverb, my dear students. You know very well adverb. Adverb means is nothing but a kind of word which gives additional meaning to the verb. See, the word which add meaning to verb is called adverb. For example, see, she comes here. Here is adverb. Adverb of place. She comes now. So here now is adverb of time. So like this, my dear students, we are discussing adverb today. We are discussing adverb today, my dear students. Got it? It is such an interesting topic that always in our day-to-day life we are going to use this one. Let's continue with the help of rule number 1. The adverb as is used after the call and consider. He called me as a fool. He called me as a fool. Wrong. The adverb as is not used here. See, not used after the call and consider. So we should not use this verb, this adverb called as after the call and consider verb. That's why he called me as, no. He called me a fool is the right answer. Got it? Next question. So please remember, be careful about all the rules. You definitely get in your examination, my dear students. Any 10 of the rules. The adverbial phrase no less than should be used with uncountable nouns, whereas no favor is used with countable nouns. See, here less is uncountable, favor is countable. That's we know very well. Same like that, no less than is uncountable, no favor than is countable. I mean, countable means when there is a countable number, a favor than or no favor than. If it is uncountable, no less than is used. There are no less than 40 people. No, wrong. 40 people we can able to count. So that's why no favor than is the right one. Got it, my dear students? Same like that, we have to use in uncountable also. That is no less than. Next. The is always used before the superlative degree. The greatest, the smallest. He is best, wrong. He is the best is right. Got it? Let's move to the next one. After the type of, kind of, sort of, title of, rank of, articles are not used. See, after the type of, kind of, sort of, title of, rank of ಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ articles ಅನ್ನು ಹಚ್ಚಬಾರದು. For example, a sort of a man, wrong. A sort of man is right. Here article should not come. Article means you know a and the. These are called articles. Let's move to the next rule. Hardly, ತುಂಬಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ. Scarcely at all. Hardly means scarcely at all. Hard means diligently, seriously, strenuously. Means hardly means ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ. Hard means rough, like that. Got it, my dear students? So same like that. So we have to do like this. He tried hardly to win the match. No. Hardly means ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ, like that happens. He tried very hard. He tried hard to win the match. This is the correct one. Got it, my dear students? Let's move to the next. She has eaten hard anything today. No. ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅವಳು ಇವತ್ತು ತಿಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ she has eaten hardly anything today. Hardly anything today. Let's move to the rule number 6. Rule number 6. Very is used before the present participle and adjectives and adverbs of positive degree. Much is used before the past participle and adjective and adverb of relative degree. So means very should be followed by present participles, much should be followed by past participles. For example, the story is much surprising. No, 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 no. Is present here. Very surprising. The I was very shocked. No, no, no. I was much shocked because the past is here. See, if you read this rule, may or may not you understand. But one thing is true, that you have to understand the rule with the help of examples. Then it looks very nice. Then it becomes perfect, my dear students. Ago is always used with simple past tense, obviously. Obviously. He has come a year ago. No, 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 no. A year ago, already we learnt in verb. When we know very well time, simple past. Unknown time, present perfect. But here we know time, simple past tense. He came a year ago, like that. Next. With the names of meals such as breakfast, dinner, lunch, no article should be used in general way except in a particular cause. Understand? See, like that, breakfast, dinner, lunch, no article should be used. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. No, no, no. I have breakfast 8 a.m. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. See, for example, here, with the names of meals such as breakfast, dinner, lunch, no article should be used in a general way except in that. Here it is here. I have a breakfast at 8 a.m. Here I have breakfast at 8 a.m. Here is a little bit typing mistake maybe it here. See, here is a should be there to make it incorrect. To make it correct, we should not use a here, article, because we are talking about the article. Okay, so here a should not come or any article should not come, and here at should be always. But he made the typing mistake. Okay, let's move to the next rule. More, most should not be used with excellent, unique, perfect, major, etc. Because excellent, unique, perfect, major are already at most place. They are already at most place. No need to use anything. It is more excellent. No, 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 no. It is excellent. Excellent is itself at the top place. No need to use more excellent. Got it? Let's move to the next rule. If a sentence starts with never, seldom, hardly, rarely, scarcely, takes an inverse structure in another verb, verb plus subject plus structure. For example, seldom I had seen such a wonderful view. No, 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 no. Verb plus subject should come. Seldom had I seen. Got it? I had, subject, verb not comes. First verb comes, then subject comes. Got it? Seldom had I seen such a wonderful view. This is the correct, my dear students. Which means the format should be like this structure. Verb plus subject. After the never, seldom, hardly, rarely, scarcely. Next it is. Rule number 11. Transposition is also used in sentence which starts with away, here, there, out, outdoor or indoor, and main verb or auxiliary plus main verb. Auxiliary plus main verb means is going. Is auxiliary, going is main verb. Is used for the subject. Away, Sheetal went. Away went Sheetal. It means transposition is also used. Transposition was, you know that plus, if here comes here minus, minus comes here, this means it is plus. So same like that, transposition method will also happen. Okay. So away Sheetal went. Wrong it is. Away went Sheetal. So this is the correct one. Got it? So this is all about the rule regarding adverb, my dear students. I hope you all enjoyed. So please go through these all rules, then definitely we are going to get 10 questions in our exam. Thank you very much, my dear students.